Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our previous class, we have been discussed about the ABO blood group and their inheritance in man. So in that we have been discussed the blood group. It contains the two components. One is the blood corpuscles, that is nothing but blood cells. Another one is the plasma. Blood cells is nothing but RBC, WBC and platelets. So among that RBC, it contains the RBC membrane. It contains a type of protein. Which protein? Glycoprotein. It contains the glycoprotein, and that glycoprotein, what we are calling is, we are calling it as a antigen. That glycoprotein, what we call it as a antigen. And in the same manner, so what it contains the antigen, and this antigen, it will this antigen, it will stimulate for the immune system. It will stimulate for the immune system to produce the what it means, to produce the antibodies, So this antibodies, it will enters into the plasma of a blood. So like that we have been discussed the two components which is present in the blood is antigen and antibodies. So antibodies is produced by the antigen. That means here it is not produced by the antigen, but antigen, it will stimulate for the immune system, and antibodies, it will produce by the immune system. Immune system will produce as the antibodies on the direction of what is antigen. So like that, so our blood, it contains the antigen and antibodies. So two types of glycoprotein it is present. So that's why we'll get the two types of antigen, which are those means antigen A and antigen B. So that's why antibodies also, it will be produced as how many types here? Two types of antibodies will produce here. So anti-A antibodies, and anti-B antibodies. These two types of antibodies will be produced on the basis of the glycoprotein, called it as a antigen A and antigen B. So that is nothing but this is the specific protein. Now up to here we have been discussed in our previous class. So now today's class, let us continue this antigen and antibodies. So the blood group of an individual does not contain same type of antigen and antibodies. So we are having the four different type of blood groups are present, which are those means anti-A, B, AB and O. So four different type of blood groups are present. So in that it doesn't contain the antigen and antibodies. It doesn't contain the same type of antigen and same type of antibodies. Same means if antigen A it is present means antibodies A it will not present. Antigen B if it is present means antibodies B it will not be present. So like that it will not present the same type. Why it will not present same type means because antibodies A agglutinates antigen B. That means here antibody A, what it will do means it will agglutinate the antigen A. Agglutinates means what? A clump. Antibody C, it will clumps for the antigen A. So antigen A and antibody A, so both A. So antibody A and antigen A, both they will agglutinates here. Agglutinates means it will clump. Both they will clump to each other. Clump means it will forms like a clumps here. Clumps means is nothing but dalla. It will forms a clump in a condition. So that's why in our body we will not find the same type of antigen. So that's why they mentioned here in our body we doesn't have the same type of antigen and antibodies. Similarly, antibody B agglutinates the antigen B. In the same manner, antibody B agglutinates the antibody. So that's the opposite it will be present. So based on the presence or absence of this antigen antibodies, so we have been classified the four types of blood groups. So that's why on the basis of the presence of antigen and antibodies, we have been classified the four types of what you means blood group here. So we let us discuss about this. It has been given in this blood table here. So suppose here blood group A. So blood group A, those having the blood group A in their body, they having the antigen A it is present. But they doesn't have the antibody A, it will not present, because here same type of antigen and antibodies will not present. If the who is having the blood group A, so in their body antigen A it is present, but antibody B it is and for antibodies, which type of antibody it is present means antibody B it is present. So A it will not present. So opposite it will present. Same it will not present. So why it will not present same is because if same present means it will agglutinate here. That means it will form a clump. In the same manner, those having the antibodies, blood group B in their body, antigen B it is present, and antibody which it will be present, antibody A A it will be present. Next, AB blood group, those having the AB blood group, so they are in their body antigen A and antigen B both it will be present, because the blood group A and B it is present. So that's why antibodies what it will present, A also antigen it will present, B also antigen it will present, but antibodies are absent. Antibodies here is absent, only the antigen A and antigen B it will present, and that's why it will comes as a universal donor it will comes. So which are the blood group, if we add for this blood group means it will accept, so that's why we are calling it as a universal recipient we are calling, sorry not donor, a universal recipient we are calling, whereas O we are calling it as a universal donor. So in the universe those having the blood group O, in their body antigens are absent, antibodies, which type of antibodies are present, both antibody A and antibody B both are present. So in this pattern, so in the blood group the antigen and antibodies will be present. So 4 different type of blood groups are present. So in whose body which type of blood group are present, in this manner they having the antigen and antibodies. A antigen A but antibody B it will present, B antigen B it will present, antibody A opposite it will present, AB both antigen A and antigen B it will present, but antibody it is absent. So next, then next blood group, so the blood group O, those having the blood group O, so they in their body they contains the what antibody A and antibody B, but antigen is absent. So in this manner what happen means the blood group it is present, antigen and antibodies will be present, but the same type of antigen and antibodies will not present. See here same type of antigen and antibodies it is not present. If antigen A it is present means antibody B it is present, opposite. If antibody B if it is present means antigen A it is present, opposite. So here both A and B antigen it is present, but that's why here antibodies is absent. So that's why this blood group, those having the AB blood group, they'll become a universal recipient. Whichever type of blood group if we given for the patient also, so it will get accepted. Whereas O, antigen will be absent, whereas antibodies will be present. Both A and B antibodies are present. So in this manner what happen means the blood group it will be present, and O we are calling it as a universal donor. So O blood group O, they can donate the blood group to any different type of blood group. So this is the pattern of antigen and antibodies it is present in our body. Next here, so ABO blood group, A, B and O blood group, so are controlled by the gene. As I said you here, whichever the characters are present in our body, each character it is controlled by a gene. Whichever the characters are present in our body, every character, phenotypic character, it is controlled by the genes. So that is nothing but genotype. So in the same manner, so ABAPO blood group also it is controlled by the gene, and for that we are indicating in the form of a I. As you know very well, in monohybrid all these things have been discussed. For every character we are indicating in the form of a letters. So dominancy we are indicating in the form of a capital letters, and recessive we are indicating in the form of a small letters. So in the same manner for ABA blood group we are indicating in the form of a I we are indicating. So this is the gene, so which is indicating in the form of a I. What is the full form? What it will I stands for means I stands for isohemato-agglutinogen. What is the I stands for means keep remember, this is important for your NEET and even for your board exam also they maybe ask you what I stands means. I stands for isohemato-agglutinogen, isohemato-agglutinogen. Next, the plasma membrane of the RBC has sugar polymer that protrudes from its surface, and kind of sugar is controlled by the gene I. So as I just now we have been discussed here, the RBC what it contains means it contains the glycoprotein, and that glycoprotein we are call it as a antigen. In the same manner, so RBC even they contains the sugar polymer they contain. So sugar polymer they contain, and that protrudes from its surface, so that it will be protrudes, it will present on the surface, and that kind of sugar is controlled by whom is it is controlled by the gene. So RBC it contains a type of sugar, and the sugar it is controlled by gene I. The sugar it is controlled by whom is that sugar it is controlled by the gene I. The gene I has 3 alleles. That this gene it is having how many alleles? The gene it is having the 3 alleles it is present, namely IA, IB and IO. 3 types of alleles are present, because blood group are 3 types it is present. So that's why we are 3 alleles are present, IA, IB and IO. 3 types of alleles are present. Then the alleles IA and IB produce slightly different from the sugar polymer, while allele I does not produce any sugar. So what they are telling is the RBC is who is having the RBC is I, who is having the IA gene here in their body. So their RBCs, it will produces the different forms of sugar. They produces the different form of sugar polymer, whereas the allele I, it does not produces any sugar, whereas the allele, this one, so IO allele, which it does not produces any sugar polymer, whereas these two type of alleles, it will produces a different type of sugar, whereas this allele, it will not produces any sugar polymer. Understand? So IA and IB, which is present, they'll produce a form of different form of a sugar polymer they produce, whereas the allele I, this I does not produces any sugar polymer, and IA and IB are completely dominant over I. So that's why they are producing the different type of sugar. So these two will be dominant on this one I. IA and IB will dominate it on IO. So that's why IA and IO are completely dominant over I. So which is this I means even this IO blood group we are indicating in this form of a small letter also, because it is in a recessive in condition, or either we can write in this manner. So that's why I put here slash. Either we can write in this form, either we can write in this form. So it will be the recessive here. So and who will be dominate? This IA and IB will be dominate in the blood group A, B and O. So who will be dominate? A and B will be dominate here. Who will be the recessive? IO is the recessive, O blood group is the recessive in condition. So in other words, when IA and I are present, only IA will express, because I does not produces any sugar polymer. So what here means, so those are having the A blood group, so those are having the A blood group in their body, they'll be having the this type of alleles here. So listen here, those are having the A blood group, those are having the A blood group in their body, they'll be having the this type of alleles they may be having. So or else here you can write in this manner. So this type of alleles they will be having. That time who will be the dominant allele? This allele will be dominate. So that's why, so when IA and I are present in a IA, so and who will be dominant? IA will be dominant and it will express its character. So that's why the blood group will be A blood group will be there. They doesn't have the blood group, O blood group will not express. Which type of blood group it will be expressed? A blood group only it will be expressed, because it will comes in a recessive in condition. This it will comes in a dominant in condition. So who will be dominant? That character will be expressed in the body. So that's why this it will be, as you have been studied in your monohybrid cross, capital T small t is there. So this T, it is expressing the tall character. This T, it is expressing the dwarf character. In the same manner, this it is expressing the A blood group. This it is expressing the O blood group. But here who is dominant? A is dominant here. So here who is dominant? T is dominant here. So that's why the offspring will get the tall. And here who is dominated here? A is dominated. So that's why in the offspring which type of blood group it will come? A blood group it will come. So but O if it is present also it will comes in a recessive in condition. Here also dwarf it is present also. Dwarf will be in a hidden in condition. It will comes in a recessive manner. So that's why this character will get expressed and this it will be hidden. In the same manner, A character will be expressed and O character will be hidden. So that's why blood group, what type of blood group will get here? A type of blood group we will get. So that's why the IA and I are present, only IA is expressed, because IA does not produces any IA does not produces any sugar polymer. Who is not producing any sugar polymers means this G alleles it is not producing any sugar molecules. So why? That's why IA will express. Why IA will express means because it is not producing any sugar molecules. So that's why it will come in a recessive in condition. Just now as I said here. So IA and IB will produce different sugar molecules, whereas the IO or I it will not produce any sugar molecule. So in this condition, IA and I condition, who will be dominant here? IA will be dominant and this it will be recessive. Why it will be recessive means because it is not producing any sugar molecules. Next, when IB and I are present here means IB will be expressed here. If it is the IB, if they are having the IM, B blood group, so pattern will be in this manner. Pattern if it is in this manner, or if it is, you can write like this also. So that time, so which blood group will be expressed here means this will be the dominant and this will be the recessive. This will be the dominant and this will be the recessive in condition. So who will be dominant? This will be the dominant and this will be the recessive manner. So this is the recessive manner, this is the dominant. So that's why B blood group will be expressed and O blood group will be hidden in condition. When IB, so that's why I written here, when IB and I are present, IB will be expressed here. So but in when IA and IB are present together, they both produce their own type of sugar molecule. This is called as codominant. But another type of blood group is present. So in this case here, those are having the A blood group. So this pattern it will come. Those having the B blood group, so they may be having this type of alleles, and who will be dominant here? B will be dominant, and this it will be in a recessive condition. O blood group it will be in a recessive condition. But the people in whose body AB blood group it is present, in their body the alleles will be in this manner, IA and IB. The alleles will be in this manner. Now already we have been discussed here, IA and IB both they will produce as the sugar polymer. IA also produces the sugar molecule, and IB will also produce as the sugar molecule. So that time, so in the AB blood group, those are having in their body this alleles is also present, this allele are present. Both they are producing the sugar molecule. So that's why both they are expressing their character. So IA also expressing the character, and IB also it is expressing the character. So that's why the blood group it will comes AB, and this is we are calling it as a codominance. This we are calling it as a codominance. Yesterday, as I said you here in my previous class, what is the meaning of a codominance here? So both they show the dominancy. No one will be here in a recessive in condition. A will also be in a dominant in condition. B will also be in a dominant in condition. Why? Because means both they are producing the sugar polymer. This is also producing the sugar molecule. This is also producing the sugar molecule. So that's why both they will be dominant in condition. So that's why IA it will produces the A character and IB produces the B character. So that's why which type of blood group will get here? AB blood group. AB blood group it will comes in the codominance. Whereas in this case here we can't tell that codominance. Here there is no codominance, because here one is dominant here, but another is in a recessive in condition. So that's why who is in a dominant in condition, their character will be expressed, and who will be in a recessive in condition, they will be hidden in condition. So monohybrid, which we have been discussed, we are taking the what here, tall and dwarf character we have been explained here. Another incomplete we have been discussed. In incomplete what happened? Dominant gene is unable to hide the recessive gene in a properly. So incompletely it will hide the recessive gene. So that's why alleles will be same, but a new phenotypic character will be exhibit. Why the new phenotypic character will be exhibit means because here due to incomplete what here hideness what incomplete hideness of the recessive gene. So our dominant gene it is unable to hide the recessive gene completely. Incomplete it will hide. So due to that one alleles may be same. Alleles may be what here? Alleles may be same, but the character it is instead of showing the red character, it is showing the pink color flower. So which we have been discussed in your 7 o'clock plant, that is nothing but Mirabilis jalapa. So three patterns we have been discussed. In monohybrid, one will be dominant, one will be recessive in monohybrid. So in incomplete dominance, so those who is dominant here, that dominant it is unable to hide the recessive completely, so it will hide the incompletely. So that's why the name also we have been given it as a incomplete dominance. So due to that incomplete dominance, we got the new character. But another type is, third type is codominance. Codominance means here both they are expressing their character. So yeah, in the blood group here AB it will comes in the codominance, but here the A blood group, B blood group, they will not come in the codominance. So only the A blood group it will comes in the codominance. So that's why here, so both they will express their character and produces their own type of sugar polymer. This is because of codominance. Hence what we are calling means, hence the red blood cells of A B blood group have both A B type of sugar. So that's why here they will find out both type of sugar, and this pattern they have been given in here. This be a table here. Let us see this table. So blood group, first is the blood group AB and O4 different type of blood group are present. The person in whose body A blood group it is present, there is a chance of getting genotype in this pattern IA and IB. So in this pattern the AB blood group, like how we have been discussed in the monohybrid, the person who is tall, so in their blood group either the alleles it may be capital T or capital T small t. In this pattern it may present. This is the homozygous, this is the heterozygous in condition. In the same manner, in whose body A blood group it is present, in their body genotype either it may be in this pattern or in this pattern. So externally we may tell that they are having the A blood group, but if we see the gene, either it may be having genotype in this pattern or in this pattern. Here both are a same, homotypic it is present. Here this is the heterotypic IA and O. Like this is the, it is showing the dwarfness, it is showing the tallness, it is showing the A blood group, it is showing the O blood group. This is, it is showing the A blood group and it is showing the O blood group. Suppose father in him may be having A blood group and mother they may be having the O blood group. So that time father A blood group has been expressed. Or else here, so if mother may be having A blood group, father may be having O blood group. But whoever it may be, O blood group always it will be in a recessive in condition. Why it is recessive in condition means because it is not producing any sugar polymer. So that's why it will come in a recessive in condition. Whereas A and B it is producing the sugar polymer. So that's why they will come in a dominant in condition. So for blood group A, the genes either it may comes in this pattern or it may comes in this pattern. Next, the blood group who is having the B blood group, so the genotypic either it may be in this pattern or in this pattern, IB or IB, or else IB IO it may be present. Or else blood group, those are having the AB blood group, the genes will be IA and IB. So this is the codominance because both they are expressing their character. So no one here there is recessive in condition because A also producing the sugar polymer, this is also producing the sugar polymer. Next, blood group O. So blood group O it is showing the IO because it is in a recessive in condition. So dwarf also we have been written in this pattern. Dwarf small t we have been written. Both are in a here recessive in condition. This is also in a recessive in condition. Next, since there are three different alleles in the human population, but each individual have any two alleles. So what they are telling him is, since there are three different alleles in the human beings, what we will find here is, we will find the three different alleles we will find. Which are the three different alleles? IA, IB and IO. This is the three different alleles. Since what they are telling, since we are having the three different alleles in the human beings population, so whoever may be present in the human beings. So in human beings, if you come to the blood means, we'll get these three alleles only we'll get. But these three alleles, they'll combine to each other to form a different pattern. So but each individuals have two alleles and there are 6 different combinations. So how many different combination we'll get here? 6 different combination we'll get here. From these 3 alleles we'll get the 6 different combination. That means 6 different type of genotype we'll find in the human beings, like how I will show you here. So 3 alleles, these 3 alleles combine together to form a 6 different type of what name is, to get 6 different type of pattern it will shows. 6 different type of pattern it will shows here. First here, ABO blood group. So ABO blood group, 6 different genotype we can determine. 4 different genotypes as blood group AB and O. So 4 different type of blood group we will find here. So AB and O. So let us see here, alleles from parent A. That means here parent, when 2 parents are responsible to give birth to the offspring. So this is 1 parent and this is 2 parent. So another parent. Either you keep this as a father and this as a mother, or this as a mother or this as a father, whichever you want you can assume, but 2 parents are there. So from these 2 parents we got the offspring. So genotype of the offspring it may comes in this pattern. So blood group it may be in this manner. So that's why you'll get the 6 different pattern, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So from 3 different patterns, so alleles will be 3 only, IA, IB and IO. So these 3 will shows the combination, and for according this combination we'll get the how many types of blood group? We'll get the 6 different types we will get here. So let us discuss. Suppose here the parent, one of the parent they having the IA blood group, IA, and another parent having the IA. That time in the offspring, which type of blood group they will get here? IA and IA. So that's why in the offspring, what type of blood group it will show us a phenotypic character? A blood group. So this is the phenotypic character, this is the genotypic character. In offspring, the blood in the offspring, what type of blood group you will get here? A blood group. And genotype, which type of genotype it may present means they may present IA and IA, because in both the parents they are having the IA it is present. Suppose in your father you have IA, see this type of allele it is present, and in your mother body this type of allele it is present. Means in your body which type of alleles it will get means IA, and which is showing the what is the phenotypic character means A blood group. In the same manner, second case IA, one of the parent they having the IA, whereas the another mother she may be having the O blood group. Small I it will indicate the O. Smaller indicates what it will indicate? It will indicate a O blood group. It will indicate here. So father is a blood group, mother is a O blood group. Then that time what type of offspring, what type of blood the offsprings will get here means offspring will get the A blood group, because A is dominant here, because A is producing the sugar polymer. So that's why it will become say dominant in condition. Here this is also producing the sugar polymer. This is also producing the sugar molecule. Both are same. So that's why automatically will get the A blood group only will get here. But in this case what happens is, so it is producing the A blood group, it is producing the sugar polymer, and in this O blood group it is not producing sugar polymer. So that's why this it will become say dominant, and this it will become say recessive in condition. So that's why in the offspring what type of blood group it will come? A blood group only, but genotype it will be in this manner. So same case here. Here also offspring A blood group, but genotype will be varies. Phenotype will be same, A blood group, but genotype, what type of genotype here? Two different type of genotype will be get here. This is homozygous in condition, this is heterozygous in condition. Same manner, in that same manner, the person those having the B blood group it is present, the person in whose body B blood group, father they having the B blood group and mother also B blood group if it is present. The offsprings will be having the B blood group only. What type of alleles they will get here? IB and IB. This type of alleles they will produce in the body. So B type of blood group it will present. Now in the same manner, another parent, so they having the B blood group, but mother is the O blood group. Mother in the mother body O blood group it is present. So the offspring will get the B blood group only. Offspring what type of blood group they'll get? B blood group only they'll get. But what is the genotype here? It will get IB and I. So one from the father, other from the mother. But who will be dominant here? IB will be dominant, and this it will be recessive in condition. Why this is recessive in condition means because it is not producing any sugar polymer. So that's why it will comes in a recessive manner. Next, the father it is having the IA blood group, and mother she may be having the B blood group, or else you interchange. So for mother they are having the A blood group, father they are having the B blood group. That times A and B both the blood group it will enters into the offspring. Genotype it will comes A and B. Now both they are producing their own sugar polymer. So that's why offspring they will be having the AB blood group. Offspring what type of blood group they will get here? AB blood group they will get here. Now next in this case, if suppose father is also the O blood group, mother is also O blood group, means offspring will also born in a O blood group only, and gametes will be in this manner because it is a recessive in condition. Both will not produce any sugar polymer. So that's why what we can tell him is IO. So what type of genotype here? IO. Both it is in a recessive in condition. Phenotypic character what is them is the person they will be having the O blood group. So that's why here from these three different allele IA, IB and IO, leaving that any other allele it is present here, it is not present. So in these three types of alleles only it is present. So these three types of alleles combined together in different patterns. Here these three types of alleles it has been combined in different pattern, and they brought 6 different genotypes here. So what they brought here? They brought the 6 different genotype they brought. So 6 different types. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different type of genotype we got here, and 4 what type of blood group we got here? 4 phenotypic blood group we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phenotypic blood group and 6 genotypic what here means blood group will get here from 3 different alleles. So these are the 3 different alleles. So that's why here they are telling what they are telling here. So from the 3 different alleles, which are the 3 different alleles? IA, IB and IO. So in the individual, in the human beings, we may have individuals have any 2 alleles, the 6 different combination here. So 6 different combination we got here, 6 different type of genotype we got here. 6 different combination will get here to form a 6 different genotype. And how many phenotype means? So 4 phenotypes will get here, 4 different type of blood groups will get here, A, B, AB and O. 4 different type of phenotypes we will get. So this is about what means ABO blood group it is present. Next, related to this, so what we have, what having is we can produce the still many what is related to this. We can have the many problems which may be asked in your what time is in your NEET, not for your board exam. So problems it is not necessary for your board, but it is necessary for your NEET exam. So in your NEET exam, so say it's related to this, the problems it will ask you. One of the pattern I will show here. So the blood group of the man also inherited in a Mendel's pattern depending on the homozygosity and heterozygosity of the parents. The blood group of the progeny will be, so what they are telling him is blood group of the what here human beings, blood group of the human beings, it will be depends on the homozygosity and heterozygosity. Blood group of the pattern it will depends according to the Mendel's inheritance. Blood group of the pattern it will depends on what it will depends on the homozygosity and heterozygosity of the parents here. So according to that, the in the offspring will get the progeny. So you see here, so homozygosity, this is the homozygous, but this is the heterozygous. On this pattern only will get the different type of blood group. So this is the homozygous, this is the heterozygous. So the heterozygous, this is the homozygous. So like that what happened is, on the basis of the heterozygous and the homozygous will get the different type of patterns will get here. So related to that, as I said here, the questions will be arise in your exam. So if not for your board exam, as I said here for your NEET, and these problems will discuss in your next class.